Hi guys, it's Frank from Frankly Frugal and I'm at Almost Perfect, and in the fridge today they have organic Meadow Cream, guys. 10% milk fat cream, 99 cents, guys. Regular $4.99. This is a steal of a deal. If Starbucks is more your thing, then they got this creamer on for $3.99, regular $7.99. Toll House cookies, 2 for $5, guys. Awesome deals here today. $2.99 for turkey bites, guys. That's a great deal. Okay, everybody, if you want to shop frugal with me, hit like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.